This video training is on the reports for your Vessel Service Solutions application. Report information is only available for those with management privileges. From your dashboard, you can click on the Reports button, as well as the Reports button on the left-hand side. At the top are your report options, beginning with the date. You can quickly change the date range of the report by clicking this drop-down list, which automatically sets the start and end date, or you can choose a custom range as needed. There are 3 different styles of reports, and you can choose one or all 3. Holding the mouse over the report style gives you more information about each type. For the orders reports, you can also limit it to just the found set of orders and then summarize by month. There are 3 categories of reports. The orders has 4 options, and these are in these buttons down here. You can see the options for the boats category listed here, and when you click on the boats, it will change those buttons here, and the same for the timesheets, which has 5 options. There's a help button next to each button to give you more details about that specific report. We'll start by demonstrating some of the orders reports. The first is the order overview. If the report is going to contain a lot of data, it gives you this possible warning that it may take a little longer than normal. The report shows the date range at the top, and you can see that it is grouped by days, with totals showing at the very bottom. If we close the report and check the Summarize by Month button and click the same report, we still have it sorted by date, but we also have an additional month total and grouping. This preview type report also allows you to print. The Excel version of this same report gives a lot more information. It also stores a copy of the file on your desktop computer. The PDF version of the report is very similar to the preview version and also stores a copy on your desktop. The map report uses the same colors that were set from the preferences section of the boats. It also has general summary information as well as a link to go directly to that order from the map. The Orders by Service button gives you a similar report, but it is sorted by the service as described in the Order section Service Information area. It groups them by service, has subtotals, as well as a total at the bottom, including a graphic chart representing the amount of money per service. The Orders by Personnel report sorts all of the orders grouped by the personnel assigned to that order, and also gives subtotals for each and a total at the end with a graph chart. If you wanted to get just one person's information, you can use the Found Set option for the reports and go into the Orders section, click on the Find icon and choose the personnel and click Perform Find. Then when you go back to the Reports section with the 29 orders and click on the Order Overview, you can see all of these are only Will Turner, grouped by day, which could also be grouped by day and month. The Boats section of reporting is very similar, where you get to choose by fuel usage by date based on the fuel logs that have been entered, the fuel logs by location with a pie chart showing visually the same information, fuel usage by boat grouped with totals for each as well as at the end, and a boat income expense based on the orders and the maintenance logs. Timesheets has 5 options. You can do these by date, by day and night hours, for all personnel, or you can choose one individual for more focused information, or simply look at all of the unpaid timesheets. So you have many options to make sure you are up to date with current information about your business. This is a very powerful part of the Vessel Service Solutions. Contact us if you have any other questions, and check out our other training for the other sections.